Hello everyone, it's Chris and Lisa from the Chris Camboris Real Estate Team. If you're interested in a beautiful two-story family home in Amherstburg on a cul-de-sac with a huge pie-shaped lot, this is the home for you.
Introducing 77 Noble Crt in Amherstburg. Come take a look.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky.
We hope you enjoyed the tour.
If you'd like a private viewing, please give us a call.